Next is, please excuse me for mentioning a competitor, but there are these guys called Ranking Factory Revolutions. Do you have any relation to them as they teach similar tactics of stacking? I do not. Marco, do you want to comment on that?
Uh, I'm okay with Patrick. I know Patrick Tuttle. I've done webinars with Patrick Tuttle. He owns the factories, or he's part owner. I'm not sure. Uh, he'll be the first one to tell you that they're based on my tactics, on my original iframing concepts. So I appreciate him for that. He does mention that, and he mentions that often, guys. It's just different ways of trying to accomplish the same thing, which is ranking. I'm not saying, I can't really say anything about it because I don't know. I know people that use it and have success with it. I know people that use our stuff and have success with it. Eventually it comes down to a choice of what it is that you want to do and how you want to accomplish it. That's all it is. I mean, we have an entire system built around this. So it's not just the drive stacks and G sites. It's not just stacking. It's not just the iframes, right? We set up the SEO shield for a very specific purpose because we're accomplishing many different things when we set out for that purpose, which is what we're calling now entity-based worryless SEO, meaning we don't worry anymore about Google. Haven't worried about a Google update. I mean, I see guys freaking out all the time. Google's constantly updating over 3,000 or 4,000 just last year. I don't know how many so far this year, but it'll be in the thousands. So imagine every time they have an update, you freak out, you die, or have multiple peptic ulcers, right? Perforated ulcers. Now, with that in mind, what Rob and I sat down and came up with this shield concept, right? I've been talking about the SEO shield for years, but we finally came up with a concept where we taught people, just relax. This is what we're doing. This is how to do it. This is how you can accomplish it and not worry about Google. Why? Because we're doing exactly what Google wants, period.